What's up guys, Adrian Amaral with 911 Gadgets. In today's video, I am going to unbox a Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. Now, even though it's not a new phone, it is new for me and I got a good deal on it. Shout out to my boy Levi in Hawaii with Hawaii Cell Phone Repair. So let's go ahead and unbox this one. I'm super excited. I've got a screen protector I'm gonna put on the front screen. I might cut out the one for the inside. I don't know if my films are big enough. I've got a case here that I ordered and I can't wait to see what it's about, man. I'm excited. Let's do this. Woo! There you go. You guys, if you guys are in Hawaii or if you guys want to meet a cool dude, call this number, ask for Levi. That's my boy right there. So hit him up, Hawaii Cell Phone Repair, 808-936-3031. He's also in our team. So if you guys want to be part of 911 Gadgets, go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training. Get the 5-day curriculum. You won't regret it. You'll meet a bunch of awesome people just like Levi. And we're very happy to meet you. So go there now, join our team, and be part of the 911 Gadgets family. All right, here we go. Woo, look at that color. This is a Mystic Bronze is what they call it. So it kind of looks a little pink. That's why I got a case with a little bit of black to try to even it out. It doesn't matter. It's going to look amazing. Here we go. Let's go over to this camera. Dun, 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 dun. Woo! There it is, guys. Oh my goodness, what a beautiful phone. Oh my goodness. Okay, so here it is. Let's give it a little bit of a wipe down. It does look pinkish, right? But it's all good. I can always replace the back glass. But here it is, guys. The Galaxy Z Fold2. This is not a new phone. Again, the Z Fold 3 is out. But to be honest, I went to Costco and I checked out the Z Fold 3 and the build quality feels a little bit more plasticky than this one. So I actually like this build more. And not only that, it's cheaper right now because the other one's like $1,900. Check it out. Let's open it up. Ta-da! And the inevitable crease, okay, because I have the Z Fold also. It's right here, right? It has that crease, but this one's just horrible. I don't know. We'll take care of that later. But here's this crease that it'll have. I can live with it, so don't worry about that. I think they're trying to work it out to where it doesn't do that crease anymore, but they're making the hinge a little bit bigger, making the phone a little bit fatter when you close it. Okay, so I can't wait to transfer all my stuff from my Galaxy S10 to this one. So now I'm gonna have the Z Fold and the Z Flip. The S10 is being retired. Where are you, S10? Here's my old faithful S10. Aww. So I'm gonna transfer everything from here to here with Samsung Smart Switch on Windows. First, I'm gonna transfer all my photos and everything from this phone. This is my screensaver. Always pray to have eyes that see the best in people, a heart that forgives the worst, a mind that forgets the bad, and a soul that never loses faith in God. All right, so let's turn this sucker on. Woo! Samsung Z Fold2 5G. Beautiful thing. Oh man, I can't wait to use this phone. It is unlocked for any carrier. Man, this is just a giant thing, guys. Look at that. Oh no, what did I just get? Okay, so there's that, but wait a minute. It also has that front screen. Oh yes, this is nice. Oh, look at that. Okay, you want to make a call. Beautiful. There it is. Okay. Amazing. Let's double tap this button to open the camera. There it is. Man. Yep. I am super excited. Let's go ahead and install that screen protector. Add a little bit of alcohol. Clean this up real good. We're gonna peel it. I'm gonna have to play with the settings on the cutting machine because it's not 100% fitted, but it's okay, I can live with this. Okay, some protection is better than no protection. There it is. Beautiful. Oh, I've got a little piece of hair there. I don't know if it's going to bother me a lot or not, but at least we've got some protection on there, okay? There it is. Yeah, there's some lint on here, so it might bother me. I'll take it off later if I need to, but there's that. Yeah, it does look kind of pinkish. Let's see. Let's open this case up. Here it is. So let's start. Whoa, it has an adhesive. That's different. And in the pictures, I thought this was clear, but I guess it's not. It's a little smoke. There's adhesive there, so let's give it a quick clean with alcohol. And I guess you just install it just like this. All right. Let's clean that piece up as well. And let's remove this piece of adhesive. I mean this piece of film protecting the adhesive. Alright. Well, I do need to put my SIM card in there first, so let's do that. I'm glad I saw the SIM tray. Otherwise I would have used up that adhesive. Here it is. Get that SIM tray out and let's get my SIM card from my S10. I always clean my SIM cards before I install them with my t-shirt. Just rub them a little bit. Okay, there it is. Get that adhesive going right there. Bam. There were some cases that have like a big old fat thing that covers the hinge, but I didn't like those because it just made it so bulky. I can see myself buying more of these, more cases for this phone. So there's that. Let's open it up. Jeez, dang, this thing is awesome, guys. All right, so now I'm gonna see if I can custom make this here and see what it's gonna look like. Hello? What up?
Hey, quick question.
Okay, bro.
Awesome.
Okay,
Yeah,
bye. Alright guys, so here it is. A little bit of alcohol. Clean this up. And we're gonna do it like this. Okay, I think that's good right here, guys. Alright, so here's this screen protector. Has a few bubbles. Maybe we can work these bubbles out. Maybe not. I'm curious to see what it's gonna do when we fold it. Okay, let's go ahead and peel it. Okay. There's gonna be quite some bubbles. You see there's quite some bubbles there, but we're gonna see, they say in 24 hours those bubbles will go away. So we'll see about that. Otherwise, we can just do it all over again if we're happy with the way it folds and everything. Again, guys, this is better than nothing. Okay, there it's folded. And it looks good. It does a good job at folding with it. So that way it doesn't get scratched up. So, guys, I am happy with this. Even if there's bubbles, we'll see if they go away in 24 to 48 hours as it's advertised. And if they don't and they bother me, then I'll just do it again, just very carefully next time, I guess. There it is. I already got my first call. And you know, it's crazy that I got that phone call from one of my best friends. He's the one who helped me start my first cell phone repair shop. Okay, his name is AJ. Shout out to AJ. He loaned me $16,000 and I started my first shop. I didn't know what I was doing. So a lot of that money was just boom, boom, being thrown everywhere. I didn't know. Thanks to him, I'm here now. And I love him like a brother. So thank you, AJ. And, you know, thanks to that friendship there, I'm where I'm at. So just believe in yourselves and you can do whatever you want, okay? And if you need help, I'm right here. So there it is. Here's the new phone. It has a screen protector in the front. It has the case. And it has that protection inside, okay? This screen protector or screen film is really good at sticking to wherever it's at. Hello. Alright guys, that was my unboxing of the Galaxy Z Fold2 5G. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it, and subscribe. And if you guys want to join our team, go to 911gadgets.com/cell phone repair training, get the 5-day curriculum, or if you want a one-on-one training, I'm right here. We're also opening stores for people, so let me know if you want me to help you open your store and take advantage of this profit. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.